Again, this is Terrence Brunson with Go Ahead First. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. And we have David RB Jr. here today. I couldn't help but to think about what we as business owners or individuals fail to have access to. And we have AI right now. AI is a big thing. And I was thinking, I was like, what is something that I could provide for my audience? And I was just like, guess what? We can create our logos with ChatGPT. Kind of awesome, isn't it? I think
Yeah,
so. What do you think about that, Ms. RV?
yeah, that sounds crazy. I mean, to think that you can do something like that now without having to pay somebody an arm and a leg to do a logo for you and wait 2, 3 weeks for it to come in.
So me personally, if I've spent 500 to thousands of dollars on a logo, they have different services for that. But if you can go take the time out and use ChatGPT yourself, why not? There is a subscription with ChatGPT, but in this particular situation, a particular instance, we're not even going to actually have to utilize that, hopefully, and let's see what happens. So, Mr. RB, when you think about logo, what do you have in mind for your logo?
So I'm looking for something that shows like strength, power, prestige. So I'm coming into this industry and I want to take over. I want to be like on the top of it. I want to be the king of it. So nothing fits that like a lion. Like just fierce lion, strong, powerful. I think that's what I'm looking for.
Okay, so you want something powerful, strong, uh, and you want it to be a lion, right?
Right, running things.
All right, so we're gonna look into this, see what we can put here. Let's see what happens here. You put the scheme in. What kind of color you want? Color scheme.
Hmm.
Gold and black, or what other kind of color scheme? Anything specific?
Yeah, let's look. Let's try that golden black. Yeah, let's see what's up with the golden black.
Okay, let's just see. Okay, okay. Going to add the. So guess what we're gonna do here, we're gonna upload this image from a files. And we just had Lion King. We're just gonna pull the image from online from Lion King. And guess what? Once we ask for it to do that, you put the logo in. It asks you, would you like to do with this image? We're gonna say create logo for RVs investments, bold, powerful, and sleek. And look at this.
What is it doing?
Chat GPT
You
is
kidding me?
creating a logo
What?
for us.
What? Oh,
Wow.
that is
Guess what?
that
Let's just
is
say you don't like it at all. Let's just
that's
say you don't like it. We say refine and make another lion image.
that's crazy.
AI is real. So again,
AI for real.
Chat GPT
That is
spits out another
nasty.
image. And guess what it does? Even better than that, it said, hey, do you want something else with this image? Do you want anything done further? Do you want anything else done further, Mr. RV?
Let's let's try like let's incorporate like some money green into that situation and see what it looks like.
Let's add money green to background. And ChatGPT thinks.
Oh,
Now, I don't know what else to say here. I mean, I think this is awesome. Again, for a membership or a subscription, ChatGPT could give you more options, but we've reached our image creation limit. You can get ChatGPT Plus, but here's it is right now. Like you could legitimately use ChatGPT to create your logo going forward instead of paying thousands of dollars for it, or you just take the time out to think of an idea briefly and let the AI work for you. So, with all further ado, we have Mr. RV here. Mr. RV, I hope you learned something from this, and I hope that if we gave you some kind of good feedback or some to help you in your business, feel free to like and subscribe. We really appreciate you all today. Have a blessed day, and we look forward to hearing from you all soon.
Share this content. Share this content. Go ahead first.
Go ahead first.
I'm telling you, it's real.